In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quote text as part of an email reply in Gmail. This is a handy feature that can help you clearly reference the original message in your replies, making your communication more efficient and reducing any potential misunderstandings. First, you'll want to open your Gmail account in your preferred web browser. If you're not already logged in, you should take a moment to do so. You'll see your inbox, and from here, it's just a few steps to incorporating quoted text into your reply. Now, locate the email to which you want to reply. This might be in your primary inbox or perhaps in another folder if you've organized your emails into categories. Once you've found the email, click on it to open it. Within the email, you're going to find the specific text you wish to quote. Keep in mind that quoting text is particularly useful when responding to specific statements or questions, allowing your recipient to understand exactly what you're referring to. This can be especially helpful in long email threads. To quote the text, first, highlight the portion of the email that you'd like to include in your reply. Use your mouse or trackpad to click and drag over the text. Once the desired text is highlighted, you're ready to move on to the next step. After highlighting the text, right-click on the highlighted text. You'll see a contextual menu appear. From this menu, select the Copy option. This action will store the selected text on your clipboard, ready to be pasted into your reply. Next, click on the Reply button at the top or bottom of the email. This will open up a reply window where you can type your response. Before you start typing your own message, you'll want to add the quoted text. Place your cursor in the reply window where you'd like the quoted text to appear. Then, right-click again and select Paste from the contextual menu. The copied text will appear in the reply window, allowing you to reference it as needed in your response. To clearly differentiate the quoted text from your own words, it's a good idea to format it. Consider adding greater than symbols at the beginning of each line of the quoted text, transforming it into a block quote. Alternatively, you can use the formatting tools available in Gmail. Typically, making the quoted text italic can suffice in differentiating it from the rest of your reply. Such formatting enhancements emphasize the quoted portions and maintain the clarity of your message. Finally, you can continue composing the rest of your reply. Once you're satisfied with your message, review it for any final edits. Then click Send to dispatch your email. Quoting text within your emails is a straightforward yet powerful way to ensure clear and effective communication in Gmail. By following these simple steps, you're set to make your email interactions both more precise and professional.